Is this you when you're trading? Praying that your stop won't be hit? Praying that the price will reach your profit target? Praying that you won't blow yet another account? Guys, let's be frank. Growing your account is no mean feat, especially if you've been at it for a while. You are doing everything the internet gurus suggest. You've actually seen a therapist for some counseling. You've been told that's how to. You've done meditation. We've done everything, but nothing seems to work. You are human after all. Humans have feelings. And when feelings come into trading, it's not a good match. Everyone understands that. But how do you deal with feelings in your trading? I tend to algo trading. Are you confused about how other people seem to be making a success? Are you confused about how other people seem to be trading successfully and you not? Trading and emotions are part and parcel of what it's all about. However, the important thing is, how do you deal with that? The important thing is to understand yourself. So for instance, you've tried all the tips and suggestions that have been given to you, but you keep on doing the same thing. We all know that by continuing to do the same thing, nothing changes. So why don't you try something different? The important thing is for you to know who you are. What makes you tick as a trader? How do you deal with a losing trade? How do you deal with a winning trade? All these things affect your trading result. I was in a similar position to you a year ago until I stumbled upon a no-coding skills platform that allows me to create my own automated strategies using a drag and drop method. It sounds too easy, doesn't it? Or it sounds too easy to be true, doesn't it? Well, I assure you it's true, and it is actually very easy. In this video, I will put together a simple triple moving average strategy and backtest it for you. It doesn't take long as you already have your own strategy that you've been working with, and the only stumbling block is that you are emotional when you are trading. For most retail traders, I believe that is the major stumbling block, when you let your losers run and you cut your winning trades short before they've had a full run. This strategy is freely available on the internet. The thing with all strategies, one needs to know the best instrument for a particular strategy, the time frame that it will work best on, and the time of day to trade. An algo is not successful in all markets or on all instruments. After watching or learning, don't just copy the strategy. I suggest, or I implore you, to replicate it in a demo account and do your own testing. And by testing, I'm not talking about manually testing one trade after another. I've come across some backtesting on the internet where somebody is actually backtesting manually 50 trades or 100 trades. However, to really know whether your strategy is robust enough, you need to test at least 1,000 trades. Because take for instance, over the course of a year, are you going to make just 100 trades? Of course not. You are going to probably put on 1,000. So how can a small sample such as 50 trades or 100 trades be representative of a trading for a full year? This is where automation come into play. Now let's start building our automated trading strategies using the triple EMAs. This is a naked chart of the NQ December contract on a 30-minute time frame. We're going to put on a 20 EMA, and then we bring in a 50 EMA, and a 200 EMA. So this is the basic look of when all the EMAs are on the chart. On top of the EMAs, I'm going to bring in the AMA Super Trend. This particular indicator is from Lizard Trader, so there's a shout out for Lizard Trader. I like their tools, so that's why I use them. I'm not in any way affiliated to them. You see that once I've put the AMA Super Trend on the chart, the color of the candlesticks change, giving us an automatic sell or buy signals. But we are not going to be using these particular signals, as we are going to make more use of the EMAs. The AMA Super Trend gives us trend direction. So now I'm going to use the algo creation platform to bring all these indicators together to create some signals. The strategy is pretty simple. Here are the strategy parameters. Basically, it consists of 3 EMAs: EMA 20, EMA 50, and EMA 200, and we use them. So we put all this together in the algo creation platform. So basically, for a sell signal, we want price to be below the 200 EMA, and the EMA 20 and 50 must cross down. EMA 20, 50, 200 must be sloping in the same direction, and for the stop loss we'll be using the parabolic SAR. For a buy signal, price must be above the EMA 200. EMA 20 must cross up EMA 50. EMAs 20, 50, and 200 must be sloping in the same direction. Again, the stop loss is the parabolic SAR. Now for a bit of backtesting and some optimization. So this is the equity curve that we got on a 30-minute time frame. And this equity curve is over a period of 365 trading days. On a 15-minute time frame, you can see that the strategy does not perform very well, even more so on a 5-minute time frame. This shows the importance of having more than 100 trades in a backtest result, because the results can be very misleading. On the 5-minute, it appears like the strategy could have been good, but because it was tested so extensively with about 7,000 trades, this is the results. Most strategies, you'll find that the equity curve will go up and then it will reach a certain point where it starts tapering. So that's hence the need for optimization. And we'll try it on a 60. This is the 60-minute equity curve. A funny shape, isn't it? But it is positive. So by the looks of it, it appears that this strategy works better from about 30-minute time frame, not so good on the lower time frames. And these equity curves were a result of trading 3 contracts per position. This shows the results of using the exact same strategy on the exact same time frame for the ES, YM, and RTY. Let me know what you think of this strategy in the comments below. Please subscribe and like the video so that I can be encouraged to make a few more.